Welcome back to the Auto Info Master. Today, we're stepping into the world of American muscle with the rebirth of a true legend, the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429. Ford has finally brought back the beast that made its mark back in 1969, and this time it's meaner, faster, and more advanced than ever before. Blending vintage muscle car attitude with cutting-edge performance and tech, the new Boss 429 is here to remind everyone what raw American power really feels like. Let's start with the heart of the monster. Under that aggressive hood lies a naturally aspirated 7.3-liter V8 engine, hand-built for precision and performance. This reimagined Boss motor cranks out an earth-shaking 785 horsepower and 710 lb-ft of torque, delivered through a choice of a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission or a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters. And yes, that iconic shaker hood scoop is back, functional as ever, feeding fresh air into the beast to keep things cool at high revs. The Boss 429 launches from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.6 seconds, and thanks to Ford's advanced Magna-Ride suspension, electronic limited-slip differential, and high-performance Brembo brakes, this Mustang can handle corners just as well as it dominates the straightaways. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, as expected in a pure muscle car, and the sound coming out of the quad-tip active exhaust system, absolutely thunderous. It's the kind of roar that sends chills down your spine. From a design perspective, 2026 Mustang Boss 429 is everything you'd want from a modern-day muscle icon. The front fascia is wide and aggressive, with a blacked-out grille, angular LED headlights, and functional air vents to cool the brakes and engine. The profile carries classic fastback lines with widened fenders and bold 20-inch forged wheels, wrapped in high-performance rubber. Around back, you've got a bold diffuser, sequential LED taillights, and that unmistakable Boss 429 badge sitting proudly. This isn't just a track weapon, it's a head-turner everywhere it goes. Ford's offering it in heritage colors like Grabber Blue, Calypso Coral, and Wimbledon White, as well as some modern shades like Carbonized Gray and Rapid Red. Each one pops in sunlight and adds to the car's unmistakable street presence. Step inside, and the Boss 429 balances retro vibes with modern luxury. You'll find Recaro performance seats wrapped in leather and Alcantara, with the Boss logo stitched into the headrests. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels solid in your hands, and aluminum pedals, carbon fiber trim, and red accent stitching remind you this isn't your average Mustang. In terms of tech, the digital 12.4-inch instrument cluster is fully customizable, letting you keep an eye on everything from G-forces to lap times. The center console houses a 13.2-inch Sync 4 touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and even real-time track telemetry for those weekend racing sessions. And yes, Ford threw in a premium B&O sound system. Though let's be honest, the only music you'll want is from that V8. Despite its aggressive nature, Ford didn't skip on safety. The Boss 429 comes with a full suite of driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. That means you can enjoy every bit of performance without compromising safety. The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 isn't just a revival. It's a celebration of what makes American performance cars so iconic. It's got the power, the style, the heritage, and now the brains to match. Whether you're tearing up the drag strip or just pulling into your local car meet, this Mustang demands attention and delivers thrills every second behind the wheel. Pricing starts at around $82,000, and with production expected to be limited, this car won't just be a future collectible, it'll be a part of Mustang history all over again. For those who want muscle without compromise, the Boss is back, and it's more badass than ever. If you loved this breakdown of the 2026 Boss 429, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Auto Info Master, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another muscle car legend review. Thanks for riding with us. We'll see you in the next one.